Hello guys, and welcome to the last GTK4 tutorial of our GTK application window, or better said, the last GTK application window tutorial from our GTK4 library. In the last video, as you already remember, we saw how functions like GTK application get ID or GTK application window set show menu bar works, and we saw how we can put those menus. So I'm going to show you again the created function which I was using it, and of course the quick callback. Now I'm going to remove all these things because we don't need them, we need only deactivate. I'm going to remove also the menu because as well we don't need the menu. And now before we proceed with this one, I want to introduce you the two functions which the get help overlays from itself to understand. GTK application window set help overlay, basically it is a function which helps you when you want to create a shortcut window separated from your application, where you can inform the user about some possible keyboard combinations and so on, which can be applied on your application, or you can make some changes with the help of those shortcuts. So basically GTK application window set help overlay associates a shortcut window with the application window and sets up an action with the name win.set show help overlay to present it. Anyway, window takes responsibility for destroying the help overlay, which is true. Okay, now as you can see, the first parameter is the GTK application window itself, and the second one is the GTK Shortcuts Window. GTK Shortcuts Window basically has no functions. It has only properties und sonst nichts. And sonst nichts. Sorry, I just spoke with a Siri in German. Anyway, the important thing is that this is the shortcut window. At least this is how it looks like, or how you can create one. It is based on more than just shortcut windows. It's about the sections, group, and so on. Anyway, we are not going to go too much deep inside it. Instead, I'm going to introduce you a function which I created myself, create shortcuts window. Here we have basically declaring a GTK shortcut window, and we have also shortcut section as well, shortcut group, and the last one, the shortcut. So basically all these four things, they are needed when you want to create that shortcut window. And we are, like I said, I'm not going to talk about this right now. I'm going to copy it and throw it up there for the activate before. And now let us create a shortcut window, which means we need to declare a GTK Shortcuts Window pointer. I'm going to go like this. Now let us use this pointer to point to the returned memory location of this function. Let me close it, which we created, or at least which I created before this video. And now we can safely call the GTK application window set overlay on it, which goes like this. The first one, it is our GTK application window, so GTK application window. It is the first one. Don't forget about those casts. And the second one, it is the help overlay. And this, I'm going to say shortcut, no, not like this, shortcut window. Now if I compile it and run it, you won't see too much information. Let me show you. You see only the window. Why is that happened? Well, we remember for the first video where I was telling you that to print a top level window, you need to call GTK show or show a GTK widget show or a GTK window present on it, because it is a top level window as well. It is not a regular widget, because like I already told you in the last or the previous one video, I was telling you that the GTK4 changed the way how it behaves a lot. They made a lot of changes, how it behaves, also the presentation to the screen or to the user on those widgets, where in the last version GTK3 you had to call GTK show or GTK show all. Here you don't need to call them anymore, at least not on widgets and so on, only on top level windows, like in this case. So I was calling now GTK window present on our top level shortcut window. And as you can see, this is the example shortcut window which I created. The accelerator, Ctrl+L+C, take a look, did you, and so on. You create it yourself and you do it the way you like it and the way you think that is important for you to create it. But about the GTK shortcut windows and window and section and so on, it will be another video and so on. That being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.